In this video, we're going to show you how to refund a game on Steam. So we are now on Steam. What you need to do is click on Help here on the small menu on the upper left corner. Click on it, a pop-up will appear, and click on Steam Support. And then here in Steam Support, you need to go to Purchases over here. And here in Purchases, they're going to show you the latest games that you have played. So as you can see here, Streamer Live Simulator. And if after clicking on that, you will have an option, I would like to refund. Clicking on it, it will give you two choices. I'd like to request a refund and help me fix game or technical issues. So if you click on I would like a refund, as you can see here, I cannot, as you can see here, it can be removed. I can request a refund, submit request, because there are two things you need to keep in mind. Number one, you need to have the game for less than 2 weeks, less than 14 days, and or have played the game for under 2 hours. As you can see here, it is under 1 minute our playtime, but we purchased this last month, so we cannot refund this. We could request a refund, but most of the time they're not going to do that. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.